From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Wednesday evening. I'm Matt Hoenig with the Campus Weather Service. It looked like it was going to be another dreary day here in Happy Valley, but thankfully we've seen the sun come out this afternoon. It didn't look like that was going to happen this morning, though. Over Beaver Stadium around 8:30 this morning, lots of low clouds, but by around lunchtime, we started to see some areas of blue develop, and look at how it's cleared out very nicely this afternoon. Lots of bright blue sky over State College. So a nice change compared to the last couple of days where it's just been a really dismal and stagnant weather pattern we've been in. But the sun has come out across much of the Northeast. After yesterday was a very cloudy day across the Northeast, much of the eastern seaboard is seeing that sunshine. It's currently 37 degrees in State College, so a much improved day from yesterday. The one exception to the sunshine, though, is across parts of upstate New York and western Pennsylvania, where they're still hanging on to a little bit of cloud cover. Now, as we take a look at our satellite and radar, you can kind of see how the clouds erode from east to west this afternoon, so that's why we have some clearing here in Center County, but those clouds still lingering off into western Pennsylvania. Those really won't bother us again until later tonight, and especially during the day tomorrow. So where's the interesting weather been? Well, the nearest storm system I could find was down here across the Florida Panhandle, this area of low pressure bringing in some clouds and pockets of heavy rain to the southeastern U.S. But this system isn't really going to move toward us. It's going to kind of move offshore and kind of fizzle out over the Atlantic. Here in the Northeast, we're just dealing with an area of high pressure that's been keeping our weather mainly dry over the past couple of days. And now as that high pressure has slid eastward, it's starting to bring in some dry air from southern Canada. So that's why we've seen the clouds erode away today, and we've seen some sunshine break out for much of our area. So your forecast for tonight looks like this. It'll be mainly clear early, and then clouds will develop later on at night, but really not until the wee hours of the morning. Low temperatures tonight falling back into the middle 20s here in Center County. All right, so now we'll take a closer look and go hour by hour over the next couple of days, because some more interesting weather will develop. So by tomorrow, we might see a little bit of early sunshine around sunrise, but I think clouds quickly fill in across the region. But it should stay dry tomorrow, despite yet will be another gloomy day here in central Pennsylvania. The nearest precip, probably down in southwestern Pennsylvania, there could be a couple scattered snow showers. But here in Center County, remaining dry through your Thursday. Friday, unfortunately, another cloudy day. And we'll watch this little wave of moisture moving in from the west. Now, temperatures will be just a little bit above freezing, so it's really hard to say whether this will fall as mostly rain or mostly snow yet, but I think the coverage will be much more limited than what you see here. Just a few passing rain or snow showers throughout your Friday and Friday evening. Saturday starts off dry, and then another wave of moisture moves in with another weak weather system, but this really isn't a big deal whatsoever. Again, Saturday, temperature is pretty marginal, so I'm not expecting much in the way of snow if there is any. In fact, I think Saturday might be a mostly rain event here in Center County. So here's a look at your next 7 days. I wish I had some better news in terms of some sunshine, but it's a gloomy stretch over the next 4 days. Like I said, not much sun tomorrow. Still a chilly day though, high temperatures in the middle 30s. Next chance of precip both Friday and Saturday. Rain, possibly a little bit of snow mixed in, but I'm really thinking this isn't a big weather maker whatsoever for both Friday and Saturday. Temperatures still hanging out in the middle to upper 30s. We dry out for Sunday. It's a cloudy and cool day. And then we see some sunshine to begin the next work week. It'll be dry and a bit warmer ahead of our next major weather system. High temperatures around 45 degrees for your Monday. That next system for Tuesday and Wednesday looking more wet than white at this point. Some mild air ahead of it will likely keep precip in the form of rain for the middle of next week. So I'm sorry, snow lovers, I'm one myself. We're going to have to wait at least another week or two before we see any appreciable snow here in central Pennsylvania. For the Campus Weather Service, I'm Matt Hoenig. Thanks for tuning in this evening. Have a great night and enjoy the rest of your Wednesday.